Hi, my name is Linda. Today cooking class we talk about Sukiyaki, the tabletop hot pot. In Japan, it has become one of Japan's most popular dishes. It is not only a delicious mix of tastes and textures, but cooking a meal at the table is an enjoyable way to entertain guests. Small foods such as meat, fish, or vegetables are cooked in hot oil in the sukiyaki pan and then served to diners. Preparation 15-20 minutes, cooking 10 minutes, per serving calories 280 kilojoules 1200 fat 5g carbohydrates 25g fiber 3g protein 28g cholesterol 70 milligrams. Now we start preparing our ingredients. 1-2 teaspoons vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons sugar, 400g rump or sirloin steak, sliced into paper-thin slices, 8 spring onion shallot whites, cut into 4 cm pieces, 1 leek, rinsed and cut into 5 cm pieces optional, 8 large fresh button mushrooms, stemmed, 2 cups 100g fresh small spinach leaves, stemmed, 100g sukiyaki noodles, boiled for 2 minutes and drained, cup 125 milliliters sake, 1 cup 250 milliliters dark soy sauce. These are what we need to start cooking. Next. Okay, let's start doing the cooking. Number 1. Set a sukiyaki pan or frying pan on a tabletop cooker in the center of the table on a protective mat. Rub the interior of the pan with a paper towel dipped in the vegetable oil. Heat the pan until very hot. Number 2. Sprinkle the sugar into the pan and wait for it to caramelize, about 1 minute. Pour in 1 cup 250 milliliters water and bring to the boil. Simmer until the water has reduced and the caramel dissolved, about 2 minutes. Number 3. Arrange the steak, spring onion, leek, mushrooms, spinach, and noodles on a platter. On the table. Mix the sake and soy sauce in a small jug and place it on the table. To begin cooking, pour % cup of the sake and soy mixture into a pan and heat for about 1 minute. Number 4. The ingredients are cooked individually, using the chopsticks to place the food in the sauce. There should only be enough sauce to flavor the food, and the ingredients should not cook for more than a minute. Next, look at possible substitutes that can make some changes. See what substitutes we have here. Substitutes. You can use bean thread vermicelli to replace the sukiyaki noodles. Cook's tips. You need to cut the meat into slices so thin you can almost see through them. You can ask your butcher to do it for you. Or, place the meat in the freezer for about 30 minutes. When the meat is reasonably firm, but not frozen solid, you will find it easier to slice. Tools of the trade. You will need to equip yourself with a portable tabletop cooker. A small gas cooker with a clip-on gas canister is one of the most suitable types, as a standard frying pan or wok can be used over it. An electric wok or frying pan is also a suitable alternative. Serving suggestions. You do not need to serve any side dishes or accompaniments with this hot pot. Place small bowls on the table for serving. Wooden chopsticks are traditionally used with this dish for cooking and eating, but you can always use forks if you are not confident with chopsticks. Arrange the ingredients decoratively on a large platter or separate plates. The traditional way to serve sukiyaki is for each diner to break an egg into his or her eating bowl, whisking it lightly with chopsticks. The cooked food is dipped into the egg before it is eaten. The heat of the ingredients partially cooks the egg, therefore removing any raw egg taste. Wines and drinks. Serve a crisp white wine such as a Sauvignon Blanc with this dish. Or, try a freshly brewed Japanese green tea as a non-alcoholic alternative. Did you know? Sukiyaki noodles are also known as shirataki noodles, meaning white waterfall. Probably because they are so fine that they resemble a spray of water. They are made from the root of the kanyaka plant, which translates as devil's tongue. My mentor Dickie is teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved and versatile soup, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For need more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website https://plrsalesfunnel.com